Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another Windows Tech Tip. My name is Richard L. Scott, the Black Christian Geek, and the tech tip today is featuring multiple desktops. For those of us who have used other operating systems like the macOS or Linux for a long time, we've had access to multiple desktops. But Windows only recently, I say recently, introduced this with Windows 10. So it's been several years now. Excuse me. And it's still taking a little getting used to for me. So if you have multiple items open on your desktop, and by the way, this video is self-sponsored. I don't have any sponsorships at this point. So if you want to sponsor me, or support me, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/Richard L. Scott. So why would you like to use multiple desktops? So first I'll briefly discuss that, then I'll demonstrate for you how it works. So for instance, if you have either two separate projects going that you like to keep separate, you have work and school, or you have work and your personal stuff, or if you just have two separate projects going from work that you need to keep separated, Windows actually does a very good job of separating those with desktops. So if you do Alt-Tab, it allows you to cycle through open apps on a single desktop. But if you do Windows key tab, it shows you multiple desktops. So I can click the plus sign to create a third one, but I'll just click the second one. And this is one I had previously opened, and a document I've created just for testing purposes. So I just did a copy paste to demonstrate having a second document. And again, if I do Alt Tab, notice that this is a different Firefox window. Or if I open Google Chrome, and I'll just say food to demonstrate what I'm looking at. Excuse me. To demonstrate having multiple windows open, I'll just click on the Food Network for testing. So I say Alt Tab. So I'm tabbing between a document, Firefox, and Chrome. But if I do Windows key tab, it opens back up and I can see what I have on desktop one, which is Firefox with my Buy Me a Coffee and my calculator. And if I click on that, it cuts over to that desktop and that particular app. So it helps to keep the two separate. And if you look down here, there's no evidence that Chrome is open on desktop one. Excuse me. I like shortcut keys, and shortcut keys that you can use are Control Windows and left and right to go between the two different desktops. I know if this is something that you have not used before, conceptually, it takes a little getting used to understanding having multiple desktops. But this is also one of those things that if you can get in your mind how that works, how having multiple desktops work, it will make your workflow and productivity increase arguably exponentially. So if you found this tech tip helpful or beneficial, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing. And if you've learned something new and you like what you're learning, please share the channel with others. Again, my name is Richard L. Scott, the Black Christian Geek, and I appreciate you spending time with me and watching the video. Thanks and God bless.